Okay, we got some naming to do, and so let's go ahead and let's get doing some naming, and let's get on to drawing some structures. Let's start off with the drawing. And so this one is S5-methyl hexane 3-ol. So OL is the suffix for alcohols. It's a hexanol, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got a methyl at the fifth position, and it also has a chiral center. Is that chiral center at the fifth position there? No, it's not. The chiral center is here at the third position where the alcohol is. So let's go ahead and try it this way. Let's see if this is the correct configuration. If it's not, then we'll go ahead and we'll switch it around. And so I think at this point you should have lots of practice in assigning stereo configurations. So I'm not going to explain my assignments there, but rest assured that I did it correctly and that we're looking at a counterclockwise rotation and that this would provide us with the S configuration. So this is the correct structure. All right, what about the next one? It looks like I have cis-2-chlorocyclohexanol. Well, why didn't I use a number to tell the reader where the alcohol was on my cyclohexane ring? And that's because, well, the alcohol takes priority, so it's always at the 1 position. And so if it's cis to the chlorine, then that means I need to draw the chlorine in the same direction as the alcohol. Now I could have drawn it up, I could have drawn it down. Again, at this point in the stereochemistry game, you know that there are 2 cis-2-chlorocyclohexanols and not 1. So it doesn't matter which one we draw since it wasn't specifying. Okay. What about these guys? So these, we're going to come up with a name. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, and we know that we need to get to that oxygen first because it's the highest priority. So this is a butanol. This is butane, and I like to say 2-ol. And all I need to do is specify the stereochemistry. So this is 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That would be counterclockwise, but I'm pointing my lowest priority group in the wrong direction. So I'm going to switch my result. Instead of S, I'm going to call it R. So it's R-butane 2-ol. Okay. What about this guy? What's the longest chain here? Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's also a butanol. I've got a alcohol at the second position. It's also got a stereochemical configuration. So 4. That's going to be 1. This one's going to be 2. This one's going to be 3. That's 1, 2, 3. That is counterclockwise. The lowest priority group is pointing in the correct direction. So this one is S, butane 2-ol. All right.